Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can create or add grids into your photos and images on Adobe Express Photos in 2026. So let us guide you through this. So let me remove that example grid here. And what you want to do, guys, is here in your editing project, click into add content or hover your mouse over it, click into charts and grids and switch from all to grids here. Now choose the one you would like to go with your preferred layout. I will go with this one here. It looks like a photo album. Position it on your canvas. And now guys, as you can see, the default grid layout will contain these placeholder images. You want to replace them, of course. But before you do that, customize the padding and the spacing here to the left. Select the background color if needed or leave it transparent here, or you may set it as the entire canvas background by clicking into this button, apply animations. Let us skip all of that and let me show you how to insert your image. So what you need to do is click into one of these images of these grids, and then you will see that replace button here at the top. Click into it and from there navigate to, for example, replace with upload. So navigate or locate the image file on your device in JPEG and PG file format. You may use also stuff from the Adobe Express library, like from your folder, from the photo library, a video, design assets like illustrations, backgrounds, files from Google Drive. So it's up to you guys. I will go with none of these actually because there's no need for that. So that's basically it. You can do this for each of these elements. You can also resize them, and you may also click into this button here, select the entire grid or shuffle the layout. And that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.